Good morning, little greens. Huh? What that sound? Ba-ah? Oh no! Little sheep in trouble! Too deep, too slippy. Max no reach! Too far.
Wait! Max has big idea.
Don't worry, little sheep. Max, come back. Big yellow friend. Whoa! Big climb. Whoopsie! Big noise. Rumble. Uh-oh. Dizzy machine. Wrong way.
Go, go, big friend. Rescue time.
Almost there, little sheep. Max here.
Slowly, easy does it.
Don't scare. Max helping. Up, up. Good sheep. Come on, safe place. Yay! You safe? Good sheep.
Hard work. But Max strong. You're welcome, friend.
Max the hero. Good nap, big friend.
Day. Good friends. Uh-oh. Sleepy Max.
Uh-oh, time to get up. Big day. Perfect for a farmer. Look at my beautiful farm. So many yummy things.
Fresh carrots for Daisy. Juicy tomatoes for Professor Hoot.
Almost got it. Come on, little engine. Vroom, vroom. Yes! We're ready to roll! Woohoo! Hello, world.
fresh veggies coming through. Whoa!
Almost. Careful, Max.
Easy does it. We don't want wet veggies.
Oh, the farmer drives his tractor all through the town. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Almost there. Daisy will be so happy.
Is that Max? Woof.
Rontal, right on time.
Max. Woof woof. You're here. Hello, Daisy. Did you miss me?
Fresh from the farm. Just for you, Daisy.
Smells wonderful. Thank you, Max. Thank you, Max.
See you next week, Daisy. Bye-bye.
Safe travs, Max.
Next stop, Professor Hoots. He loves his greens.
Woohoo! Professor Hoot! Woo! Your veggies are here!
Max, my dear fellow. Punctual as always.
Special delivery for the wisest owl.
Excellent texture. Robust chlorophyll. Max, you never disappoint. Truly superb, Max. My deepest gratitude. Bye-bye, Professor. Enjoy your dinner. Farewell, Max. Whew. What a day. Time for home. Home sweet home. Good tractor. All delivers done. Another good day's work. My friends are happy. My farm is happy. Ah, good morning, my little greens. Grow big and strong. Uh-oh. Looks like rain. Big rain coming.
Whoa! Oh, no, no, no!
This is too big for just me and a shovel. What to do? What to do? Aha! I remember something. Ah, my old friend, still here. Ooh, tough.
It works! It actually works!
Uh-oh. Almost. Got it. Yes.
Here we go, Henrietta. Time to work.
Oh. All right, big mud. Meet little Max.
Almost there. Keep watching. You big rock. Yes, take that, you big rock. Hard work. Almost there.
Oh, Henrietta, you're the best. Thank you.
Just a little bit more. Done.
Look, everyone, the road is clear. Ah, clean again. Almost.
That's better. Much, much better. That's all for today, folks. Stay safe and work hard. These cabbages, they're getting big.
Aha! Perfect for soup.
Time to work. Let's get harvesting.
Whoa! Sticky wheels.
There we go. Never give up.
All right, cabbages, your time has come.
Look at this beauty.
This one is a strong one.
Whoa! Success! One down, many more to go. Harvest time is best time. That's a good day's work. Almost there. Almost there. Soup, here I come. Home sweet home. Time for cooking. Hello, little cabbage. Welcome home. Splish, splash, cabbage wash.
Careful, careful. Almost got it.
Whoops. A little energetic.
In you go, my green friends. Into the soup.
A pinch of magic. And a sprinkle of love. That's the smell of deliciousness. Is it ready yet? Almost, almost.
Perfect temperature for a perfect soup.
Almost there, my masterpiece. Just a little blow. Perfect. Oh, this is heavenly. Nothing better than homemade soup. Good soup, good farm, good life.
Morning time.
Gotta pick the best ones.
Fresh and healthy, just how they like it.
Breakfast is ready, my friends.
Good morning, everyone. Eat up, my little friends.
This is the life.
Oh dear, what's this?
That's not good. Not good at all.
My birds! They need their safe home!
Needs a good repair, a solid repair. Right! Max will fix it. To the shed. Tools await. Now, where did I put that saw? Aha! Found them! Perfect! Time to get to work.
Measure twice, hammer once.
Ouch! Not my thumb.
Almost. Got it. Just a little more. Perfect fit.
Almost done, little ones. Perfect fit. Almost done. Almost perfect. There. All fixed.
Clean as a whistle.
Good as new. Maybe even better.
Fresh food for my good birds. That's more like it. My happy little family.
Another day, another happy task.